Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and connectivity because resets fail if the device loses energy or is offline. Once done, open the Google Home app and find your Nest Doorbell under Devices. This lets the cloud unlink step proceed smoothly. Next, perform a quick power cycle, remove the cover or disconnect wiring for 10 seconds so the device starts from a clean state. This clears transient faults and ensures the upcoming factory reset applies correctly, rather than restoring a stuck process. Now you execute the factory reset to remove all accounts and settings. First, in Google Home, choose Device Settings and remove the doorbell so the app releases the cloud link. Then press and hold the physical reset button, usually 10 to 15 seconds, until the LED changes color or flashes. That signals the device accepted the command. Make sure to count seconds and keep steady pressure. Once released, the unit will reboot. Monitor the LED and let it complete the full restart before moving on. After reboot, you should reinstall the doorbell via Google Home using the QR code or setup code. This reestablishes device identity and applies current firmware. Make sure firmware finishes downloading and the camera stream appears. If it stalls, the router may be blocking ports or the Wi-Fi signal is weak. If setup fails, perform one more power cycle and repeat the factory reset. Often that clears lingering configuration issues. If problems persist, try a different phone or hotspot to isolate network faults. This is the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.